Today's video is going to be about how the iPhone 11 Pro has replaced my DSLR. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie Snow and I work under my artist name 4100. I wanted to start out by saying I know the new iPhone is about to come out, but it's still worth sharing this experience. I have a background in photography both at university, shooting weddings, working as a photographer, and I've always used Canon DSLRs, which are epic. And I had lots of different Canons right up until I got a full frame, the full frame Canon 60. It is an awesome camera and I won't be getting rid of it, but I have to admit, since I got the iPhone 11 Pro, this has barely come out. The iPhone's camera has been getting better every single year, and I first really noticed this a couple of years ago when I got the iPhone 8 Plus when I went to Hawaii and I decided to leave my DSLR behind and bring my iPhone because it had portrait mode and it had a really beautiful high-def camera and it was perfect for all my travel needs. After that, I kept taking my DSLR around because the quality was still higher. I was really curious about the iPhone 11 Pro because of the 0.5 camera, the super wide angle lens, as well as the improved portrait mode function, the bigger chip, the crispier lenses, everything seemed just that much better. Unboxing an iPhone is always a beautiful experience, but unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro, I was taken aback at these 3 massive lenses. It was a bit of a photographer's dream. A DSLR is awesome, or mirrorless, big professional camera, it's awesome, but it is big, you know? It hurts your neck, it hurts your shoulders. I live at the beach and you're paranoid about salt and sand getting in between the lens and the connections and all those little areas. So being able to take the iPhone and having incredible photographic outcomes as well as having all of your music and contacts and internet and social media right there, it's a trade-off that is worth it. The 4K filming is so nice on the iPhone 11 Pro, and it has 4K filming on the selfie front camera as well. Actually, this video I am filming with the front camera. I've had DSLRs that have the flip up. My 60, my current DSLR, doesn't have that. I would spend so much time setting up and filming myself for YouTube and then going back around and checking, and either it had shut off or it was focused on the wrong thing or something had gone wrong. It also only films for a certain amount of time, so switching to the iPhone 11 Pro has been a game changer. The 4K front camera, I can see what I'm filming. It's super crisp. The focus range is immaculate, and honestly, I would way rather film on my iPhone now than on my DSLR. I actually shot a few of my recent product campaigns on the iPhone 11 Pro, which is something that I never thought would be possible. Being able to switch between the wide angle, the normal lens, and the telephoto lens is really gorgeous. It's a range that you can't get from one lens on your DSLR. Even if you have a couple of lenses, it's just so much easier. That wide angle lens I'm especially obsessed with. I can't believe how much detail it gets in. Of course, the normal angle is great, and then the telephoto is even better than the other cameras have been on the iPhone. I am a full-time artist now. I'm not predominantly a photographer. I do occasionally second shoot a wedding, so for that I would use a DSLR, but for everything else, I run my whole small business. I have an online shop, I have different products that come out, and everything for that I use my iPhone. Oh, another thing to mention is that the microphone is so good. So you're listening to me today and this is the iPhone microphone. I know it's not as epic as like a Rode mic, but I've tried lots of other different microphones and I could barely hear the difference between the two. So for me, the iPhone 11 Pro is great as a microphone too. Right now set up, I've got the tripod and the iPhone and a ring light, and I'm good to go. There we are. Those are the reasons why the iPhone 11 Pro has pretty much replaced my DSLR. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.